So it says out. Look how smooth that is too. It's not fast. It doesn't, you know, have a different stages. It comes in smooth too. Guys, it's 13,500 pound. I actually like the synthetic rope. You know, it does come in steel. I actually prefer the synthetic. It just looks a little more cleaner, a little more nicer to me. The fairly, look at this thing. It's aluminum, nice good piece of chunk too. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. You're not going to cut nothing on the rope or nothing like that. Actually, this is actually really nice. You know, I can't get over that. I had one on my trailer. Actually, was black, but I just wanted to match my trailer. It was a black one. I painted it black, but same thing. What I like about this is it's pretty much plug and play. What I mean by that is look at the colors. Look at the colors for the motors. Blue, red, yellow for electrical. You can't mess it up. Look at guys. Yellow, red, blue. Oh, it's too easy. It's too easy. After hooking these up, if you guys want to, if you look over here, there is a plug that actually plugs into where the manual goes. Let's see. There it is. Up, down, up, down. It reels it in, takes it out. If you want to do a manual. If you don't want to do a manual, again, you guys, you got the wireless remote. You take the positive, run it to the battery, you take the ground, you ground it out, and that's all you need right there. It even has the boots to cover the connector. You know, you can't go wrong with this. Comes with the hardware, comes with the hook. I mean, everything you need to put it on your Jeep, to put it on your truck, to put it on a car trailer. I mean, guys, you can't go wrong with this. All right, guys, this is how easy it was. I want to show you guys real quick. So like I said, the red hooks up to the red, the blue hooks up to the blue, the yellow hooks to the yellow. Of course, you have the ground goes down here. We have it. I just took the battery out of my son's boat, but I just want to show you guys what this is about. The red goes to the positive, the black goes here, and then look how easy this is, guys. So I just have the manual remote hooked up, right? So it says out. Look how smooth that is too. It's not fast. It doesn't, you know, have a different stages. It comes in smooth too. Say I didn't want the manual remote. Say you're by yourself and you want to load up the truck or car or whatever you're loading up in the trailer, but you don't have someone to hold the steering wheel as you're going up. Check this out. We're going to go up. We're going to switch this to on. Look at this. Look how you could be inside the truck or car with the steering wheel and winching yourself up. Look how nice this is, guys. That's how easy it is to hook this up.